Today in class we hosted Pauline Kalker of Hotel Modern, a guest artist with the Center for the Arts in class, where she conducted a very quick exercise that was focused on creative collaboration.
What I tried to do in the workshop is that I wanted the students to think of stories in which landscapes play a role, to give them more freedom of thinking and creativity in the landscape sense. And also I asked them to make live sound with this landscape, using all kinds of objects to create this sound and voices.
The class is designed to be interdisciplinary, so students come from all manner of different majors. And so as a result, one of the creative challenges of the course is how do we come up with projects that are going to build off of students' unique areas of expertise and interest, and allow them to create something that they're really proud of across those differences.
My favorite part of the workshop today was getting to collaborate with different members of the class that I haven't typically before.
She wanted us to be more direct with our storytelling. I feel like a lot of what we tried to do was very implicit, and she encouraged us to be very upfront with that.
One of the advices that I gave was that they have to realize that the audience, they don't know anything when they watch your story, so that you really have to know how to give them the information that the audience needs. You really have to dose that information, so don't give them too much, but also don't give them too little.
It was just kind of an ideal exercise for these students who are really looking to develop their own capacities in terms of creativity, spontaneity, working across difference, and other kinds of collaboration competencies.